if your employees are not productive as per your expectation? Do you think upskilling them can help you to make them more productive? If yes, then we are here to help you. Hi, my name is Divya, CEO and founder of WiFi Learning. We have 1,000+ trainers associated with us to upskill your employees. We are coming with cost-effective programs for corporates. You can hire our trainers on an hourly basis to get your employees trained or required technologies or tools. We are offering you virtual or live classes in your premises. We have already provided trainings to many corporate companies like Futureance Technologies, SBI Cards, Accenture, Collabora, and many more. Some of our popular programs are cloud computing, data engineering, data science, artificial intelligence, data analytics, programming languages like Java, Python, .NET, and many more. We are also provide soft skills training. So what are you waiting for? Post your requirement on info@wifilearning.com or comment your requirement here so that our team can reach to you. Thank you and all the best for your future.